Hello and welcome to this video. Imagine you are home watching TV after a long day of work, then night falls and the room gets dark, but you are so tired and don't want to get up. Go to the light switch and turn it on. What if you could control it and switch it on from the sofa? This video is from a series where I will show you how to use some products to easily automate your home. In this case I will be showing you how you can easily change your old switch to a SONOFF T1 smart switch. I will leave some links down below in the description to some of the products. When buying your switch, be aware that they are different depending where you live. Be sure to buy the correct one for your country. Another thing you have to be careful is that you are dealing with electricity. Electricity is fundamental in our lives, but it can harm you and it can even kill you. So be very careful when doing this yourself. If you are not sure what to do, you may want to call some professional help. But if you are careful, this will be very easy to set up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell to receive a notification when a new video arrives. And if you like the video, don't forget to click that like button. This will help the channel to make more videos. Thank you. So let's start. Go to your old switch and start removing it from the wall. I will be showing a switch with double buttons, but this will be very similar if you are using a single button switch or with more buttons. So remove the switch from the wall. Disconnect the wires by unscrewing the small screws that hold them in the terminals. Now inside the box where you remove the switch from, you probably only have one live wire, and in this case 2 wires that will deliver power to the lamps, but is missing the neutral wire that will be needed to connect to the smart switch. You will have to pass it from the box that delivers the wiring to your switch box on the wall. In this case is upper in the wall. Pass the neutral wire from one box to another, and that's it. You have all you need to connect the smart switch. Now get your new smart switch and let's start connecting that wires. Unscrew the small screws in the terminals that will hold the wires. Connect the neutral, in this case the blue wire, to the N terminal. Connect the live wire, in this case the red wire, to the line in terminal, the L terminal. Connect the wires that will take power to the lamps in the line out terminals, that are the L1 and L2 terminals. In this case we are using double button switch. If you are using a single button switch, you will only have one wire and line out terminal. Now you will have to remove the front panel of the smart switch. You can do that with the help of a screwdriver in the lower part of the smart switch. This will allow you to access the screw holes that you will use to screw the switch to the wall. Insert the smart switch in the wall and screw it. Do not force too much so you won't damage it. Replace back the front panel. Congratulations! The hardware part of the setup is done. Now grab your phone and let's set up the ALIEXPRESS app that you will be using to control the switch from anywhere in the world. I'll be using an iOS device, but the installation is very similar in an Android device. Go to the App Store and search for ALIEXPRESS app. Click install. It will be a fast installation. Click open. Click allow if you want to receive notifications from the ALIEXPRESS app. Read and agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. Now in the login page, click in the create new account link. If you already have an account, jump the steps. Select your country from the combo box and click next. Enter your email. Click the verification code button. You will receive a verification code in your email. Check your inbox. Insert the code you have received. You have 1 minute to do it. Insert a password you want to use. Confirm the password. Click Return. Your new account is created. Now let's add your new smart switch to the app. Click the Add button. Click Quick Pairing. Click Add one device. Choose your Wi-Fi network. You can only choose a 2.4 GHz network. 5 GHz networks do not work. Insert your Wi-Fi network password. Go near to your smart switch and press the button for about 7 seconds until the network LED on top starts blinking faster. Click OK to allow to find and connect devices to your network. Wait for the device to be found. The app will be retrieving the device information, registering it and then connecting it to the network. This may take a few seconds. Now you have the screen with the default name of the device. Change it to something that will identify where it is used for. I will change it to living room. Click Done. The device can take a while to connect to the network, but normally it is instantaneous. Great. It is all set up. Now let's try it. Click on the switch button on your phone screen. A 2-button screen will open in this case. Click the left button. The left switch on the phone will turn on. The left light will turn on and the left light on indicator in the smart switch will turn on. Click the left button again. The left switch on the phone will turn off, the left light will turn off and the left light on indicator in the smart switch will turn off. Now click the right button. The right switch on the phone will turn on, the right light will turn on and the right light on indicator in the smart switch will turn on. Click the right button again. The right switch on the phone will turn off, the right light will turn off and the right light on indicator in the smart switch will turn off. Notice that the screen has an alert that there is a firmware update for this smart switch. Let's do it because it is important to keep the firmware updated. It can correct bugs and give new features. Click the 3 dots on the right top of the screen to access the device settings. Click where it says current version. It will open the firmware update screen. Click Update now. Click Confirm. The update will start. You can check the progress of the update if you press back to the switch button screen. On top you can see the progress percentage. Update done. Congratulations. It's all set up. Let's try it. Notice that you have some buttons in the bottom of the screen. Click the All On button. The left and right switch on the phone will turn on, the left and right light will turn on, and the left and right light on indicator in the smart switch will turn on. Now click the All Off button. The left and right switch on the phone will turn off, the left and right light will turn off, and the left and right light on indicator in the smart switch will turn off. Click the left button. The left switch on the phone will turn on, the left light will turn on, and the left light on indicator in the smart switch will turn on. Now click the left button on the smart switch on the wall. The left switch on the phone will turn off, the left light will turn off, and the left light on indicator in the smart switch will turn off. Play around with the buttons to get to know how it works and how you now can control your light from anywhere in the world and can do this to all the lights in your house. I will be making more videos with other products that you can use to help you automate other things in your house and even without changing your old switches. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell to receive a notification when a new video arrives. And if you liked the video, don't forget to click that like button. This will help the channel to make more videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.